Okay, Lorraine, seeing that you've completed 30 years in this organization, what does it feel like this being your last day?
I feel very happy to be able to go and begin a new phase of my life, something I've looked forward to for a very long time.
So having such a long stint, in an organization for so long, what is it that has really touched you, during this whole career at the Pyramids?
What do you mean, touch me by
As in
what?
the memorable moment of your career here. Any memorable moments that you have?
Yeah, the one thing which really remains with me is Mr. Piramal's generosity and his magnanimous heart, because when he sold his domestic formulation business, he decided to give all of us a piece of the proceeds, and I think that's something wonderful. Not very many people are so inclined.
Two things about this place that you would take away with you while going.
I loved this beautiful, comfortable place where there were very nice colleagues, understanding and supportive, and I think that's a very important thing for me.
If you had to
I had to add something else also.
Yeah, so please.
That,
You do that.
it is a very comfortable work environment, and it's very beautiful, and it really is peaceful. You can work well.
People say that you always idolize somebody, when you're working in an organization. So any one person or any people that you would really idolize, or you would say that, they really stood by in terms of the pyramid values.
What really you want me to say for this?
So anybody, like you had said, Mr. Piramal really did something good. So anybody whom you idolize, somebody whom you would give a great respect to being in this organization.
A current person or a person?
Current or a past person also, whatever. Not necessarily a current person only.
Value.
Yeah, in terms of values, in terms of respect, in terms of, someone who probably would have been somebody that could lend you a support, or somebody who would be very instrumental in your career or whatever.
The one person whose attitude I found wonderful as a boss and as a person was Dr. Somesh Sharma. He was very understanding of his people and a very fine human being, and I think those are qualities which are very rare today.
Fine. Okay, something that you would like to leave back in terms of, like some people give quotes, or some people have certain thoughts in their mind that they would like to leave back and like people to follow. So what is it, that one thing that you would like people to follow even after you've left?
I would say that happy is the man who has placed his trust in the Lord and not in men.
Okay. What are the feelings that you take along with you when you leave this organization? Everybody has certain things that you go through within the organization, in terms of your workplace, in terms of your colleagues, in terms of the people you work with, or your reporting boss, or whoever it is. So what are those feelings that you take back with you when you go back?
I just go away with very happy memories. That's all.
Okay. So what is that thing that you always wanted to do in life, and because of your job role and your profile is something that you could never look forward to? What is it that you look forward to doing?
I look forward to spending my time in a very fruitful way and engaging in interests which otherwise I could not have. So I want to strengthen my spiritual life. I would like to spend time with my family, travel. I'll be going on a pilgrimage. These are some of the things I have in mind.
That's very inspiring. So what is that one thing when you get up tomorrow morning and you would say, this is what I wanted to do?
If you seriously want to know, this is not for the camera, but PPF people have told me to run to the bank, invest some money. That's not something I'm looking forward to.
Okay. No, but okay, on a lighter note, in terms of the retirement phase, that when you get up tomorrow morning, when you wake up and you open your eyes, you know that you don't have to rush to an office and get through these rains and all the mess. So what is that one thing you'll be really happy about when you begin your day tomorrow?
I will be at peace, but I've decided that I'm going to have a very disciplined sort of life. So
okay,
I will begin the day with Mass.
Okay.
And I propose to, I don't know how I'll spend my day, but I think it's going to be peaceful.
So any message that you want to leave for somebody, leave for your friends that you've made in this organization and the people that you worked with, any message that you would like to leave?
Yeah. I didn't think of what I wanted to say for this. But you could
think of any message or anything that you want to leave back, you know, that people would remember you for.
Yeah, make the most of your life because you don't know how long it's going to last.